Welcome to this tutorial on best practices for Zopa online banking. Zopa is a digital bank that offers a range of financial services, including current accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. To get the most out of Zopa online banking, it is essential to follow best practices to ensure the security and efficiency of your financial transactions. First, let's start with the basics of logging in to your Zopa account. To log in, you will need your username and password. It is crucial to choose a strong and unique password that is not easily guessable. Avoid using your name, birth date, or common words as passwords. Instead, use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to create a robust password. Once you have logged in, you will be able to view your account balance, transaction history, and other account information. You can also use the Zopa app to make payments, transfer funds, and apply for credit. To make a payment, simply select the payee, enter the payment amount, and confirm the transaction. One of the key benefits of Zopa online banking is the ability to set up automatic payments and direct debits. This can help you stay on top of your bills and avoid late payment fees. To set up an automatic payment, go to the Payments section of your account and select the payee. Then, choose the payment frequency and amount, and confirm the transaction. Another essential aspect of Zopa online banking is security. To protect your account from unauthorized access, make sure to keep your login credentials secure and do not share them with anyone. You should also be cautious when using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your account, as these can be vulnerable to hacking. In addition to security, it is also important to monitor your account activity regularly. Check your transaction history and account balance regularly to detect any suspicious activity. If you notice any unusual transactions, contact Zopa customer support immediately to report the issue. Finally, let's talk about budgeting and financial management. Zopa online banking offers a range of tools and features to help you manage your finances effectively. You can use the budgeting tool to track your income and expenses and set financial goals. You can also use the savings goal feature to set aside money for specific purposes, such as a holiday or a big purchase. In conclusion, following best practices for Zopa online banking can help you get the most out of your account and ensure the security and efficiency of your financial transactions. By choosing a strong password, monitoring your account activity, and using the budgeting and financial management tools, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals.